Hey guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So yesterday you remember this room had a couple wires in it, but now it's as done as possible because they don't know which way the door swings on this or if they have to move the wall or reframe it. So the box for the three-way in the living room isn't up, and the two-gang in the bedroom isn't up, and then these two plugs aren't wired. So there's a few things left to do, and then all the lighting circuits, because I can't run that wire until I know where that box is, and then can't run it to the bathroom because I don't know where that box is. So that box kind of screws me for all of that. But anyways, everything else is done. I just need to drill a hole for the home runs to go out into the hallway. We got the lights here, and that's the 12 circuit for the emergency. And then you got your plugs. This is the lockup room. So if you want to see in here, basically I have to come out of this box and either hit this plug and then hit another plug over there that isn't even mounted yet. So a few things left to do, but everything else is done. I got the bathroom switches, the fan, the lights are done, vanity, and then I did this one with 3 stackets. It actually turned out not the worst, pretty straight, and I can't make that up because I don't have the lighting circuit. So I'm just getting held up by the lighting circuit and a few plugs. So did this room as much as I could, and then I came in here and then I pulled this whole room, and I'm just starting to staple it down and make it up. So I got the home runs right here, and these are all the same length, so I just have to drill a hole out there and then put my stackets up and then stick them onto the ceiling. And we got a bunch of wires here. So I basically am starting in the bathroom. Stapled all this down. Bathroom light, and the other bathroom lights over here. And then just don't have any stackets for this, so gotta make that switch up. And I got all these in the box, and I just didn't feel like doing that today. And then I just started putting the plugs together. One there, one there, one there, one there, and then I did that one, and that was it. So this one just has to be stapled down and stuff like that, but this room is done. All the wires pulled except the heat switch leg, because they haven't mounted the box yet. So as you can see, it's on the ground. So got the home run right here. That's going in the box, and then it's either going here or like there. So anyways, thanks for stopping by, guys. Keep it short today. As always, thanks for the support. Thanks for the likes and the views. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. You guys know who you are, all my daily followers and commenters. With that being said, thanks for stopping by. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe if you're new. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.